Hey, my name is Babu and I'm a full stack software development engineer from the city of Arusha here in Tanzania, and today I'm going to start a series of creating a full stack Instagram clone. As you can see, this is my Instagram account. So here is speaking coder, because I'm coming from Tanzania, and of course we speak Swahili here, so don't be surprised if you come into my page and find some Swahili content. That is me. And of course this is Instagram. Instagram application. So here is an overview for what you're going to do and the technologies that you're going to use. First of all, you need to know what you're going to build. We're going to build a full stack Instagram clone using Flutter, Nodejs, Apollo server, GraphQL and Sequelize, which Sequelize represents SQL based databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, MariaDB, and etc. What does the term full stack mean? The term full stack means creating both backend and frontend from scratch. Frontend is a client application which utilizes the data from the server, and the backend or server is an app which is the source and contains all the rules for data sharing between the two applications. Flutter. Flutter is a software development kit developed by Google for development on mobile, which is Android and iOS, web and desktop, which is Windows, Mac, Linux, and Chromebook. Flutter was released back in May 2017 by Google, and its programming language is Dart. Nodejs, this is an open source JavaScript library for building server-side JavaScript applications. GraphQL, this is simply a SQL language for your API, and of course, since we are creating an API, so we're going to use GraphQL as a query language. Yes, we are using GraphQL because it has some advantages over traditional RESTful APIs. We will see that in the coming tutorials. So GraphQL was developed by Facebook in 2012 and it was open sourced in 2015. Apollo server, this is simply just a GraphQL server. So we run GraphQL on top of Apollo server. And Sequelize, this is simply just an ORM for Postgre, MySQL, MariaDB, SQLite, Microsoft SQL Server. We say ORM is a technique for converting data between incompatible data systems. Example of other ORMs include Mongoose for MongoDB. We say ORM is a technique for converting data between incompatible data systems because, for example, in our backend we're going to use either Postgre or MySQL, but we will not be writing MySQL commands or Postgres commands in our backend application. So we're going to use ORM to do that for us. GraphQL operations. GraphQL operations are of three types. The first one is query operation, the second one is mutation, and the third one is subscription. Query. The query operation is all about getting data from the server and show it to the client. And mutation is all about altering the data, and it is a little bit complex as it contains three operations. The first one is add operation, so you can add data to your existing database, and the second one is edit. You can also edit your data, and the third one is delete. Subscription is all about getting data in real time, and it is most likely used in data in chat applications or any other app that require real-time data sharing. And subscription can be either query or mutation. So I think this must be the end of part 1, which was the introduction of what we're going to do, and I hope to see you guys in the next part, which is part 2. We're going to setting up the environment for our development for both front-end and back-end. So hope to see you in the next tutorial.